Hi guys!
So today, andito na naman kami ni Kuya Cleo para mag-video ng pag-build niya ng Lego Disney Toy Story dahil hindi nga natin siya natapos last night dahil 1 AM na kaming natapos. And ngayon ay ang natitira na lang is si Bo Peep and si Woody. So, let's go!
So guys, I finished Bo Peep.
Bo Peep is so cute, guys. Look. And it has the sheep here.
And it's really fast to build.
Yeah, so fast na build ni Kuya. Kaya habang nag-build si Kuya, ay nagluluto naman ako ng breakfast habang tulog pa si Daddy at saka si Coco. So ayan, let's put it Kuya and cha-cha-ching. See guys, napaka-cute. And then the last one is
Woody the Woodman.
Woody ba tawag mo yan? So Woody is the last and Kuya will build it now habang nagluluto si Mami. So let's go!
So guys, I finished Woody.
So, Kuya finished the Woody one and that's the last set that we need to build. So guys, tingnan niyo, sobrang ganda. Worth it ang $50. $49.99 kasi sobrang nag-enjoy si Kuya Cleo. Siyempre ay nag-enjoy din ako. At nakagawa pa ako ng mga gawaing bahay habang siya ay tahimik lang. So, this is the Disney Pixar Lego Toy Stories. Okay? I'm gonna show you the finished product. So, thank you guys for watching.
Bye!